Good morning, everyone. Welcome to one more session of our Vista's learning classes. I hope everyone remember our motto, that is, always keep on learning. And I hope everyone remember our vision, that is, it is not only right to education, it is right to quality education. And our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And you can catch us both in our website as well as our YouTube channel. The website is www.vlearning.in. The messages you chat over there is all encrypted. That is, only I will be knowing your messages. And you can catch us in our Facebook page and as well as an Instagram page. For that, you can click the description below over there. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? So we have dealt n number of chapters, right? And we have seen the revision part, we have solved MCQs and many things of entire 5 chapters. Now it is our thing to move to 6th chapter. What is that? It is division over there. What exactly is division? So this is the last operation. So we have learned 3 important operations. What are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now it is the last operation, that is division. And I heard something related to this, that is divide. Yes, suppose let me take where exactly we use this division in the practical life. Now, suppose let me take you have 3 friends. Now you have 3 chocolates over there. How will you divide or how will you distribute that chocolate? Yes, since I have 3 chocolates, 1 chocolate, 1 chocolate, 1 chocolate. It is very easy. Now, suppose think that I have 2 chocolates extra for each person. Now, what will you do? After dividing 3, so 1, 2, 3, again you will keep on giving 1 to this person, 1 to this, again 1 to this. So, it is just to see that you get the equal share, right? In the same way, we'll be dealing with this entire section for this. Now, what exactly is division? What are the parts of division? As we learned in our addition, subtraction, multiplication, same thing here also, there are parts of division over there. So before that, let us take some practical problems. What exactly, where all we use this one? So now, the first problem is, Raju was not well, so he went to the doctor. The doctor examined and gave 8 tablets and advised him to take 2 tablets daily. So this is the problem where it has been directly taken from your textbook. You have to understand this one. So what is Raju doing? So Raju was not well. Now, what is the doctor advised? To take tablets daily too. So daily, how much he has to take? So daily he has to take. So let me take my pen. Now daily, how much he has to take? Daily he has to take 2 tablets. Now what is the total tablets? So total tablets is 8 over there. So total, that is 8 over there. Now how many days will he take to complete all this? So, well, this is quite interesting, but there are some easy method. Now suppose what is the number of tablets starting you are having? 8. First day when he take, so 2 tablets is going to minus. So that is nothing but 6. Again the second day. So now 2 tablets is going to minus. What is the remaining? It is 4 over there. Again the third day. Again 2 tablets. It is minus. So what is the remaining? 2. Now the fourth day again it is 2 tablet minus. So 2 minus 2 will give me 0. So now for how many days he has taken the tablet? It is first day, second day, third day and fourth day. So total it is 4 days he has taken the tablet. Ma'am, this is so difficult. Each day I have to sit and do the calculation. Well, I'll make it more easy. Now, easy method, 8. Total tablets is 8. You have to divide that. So now, what is the division? Each day, how much you are taking? It is 2, 2, 2 over there, right? So 8 divided by, ma'am, this is different line. Yes, I'll explain you. 8 divided by 2. What is the number you are getting? It is 4 over there. Is it the number matching? Yes. So 4 days here is going to take 2 tablets daily. I hope you are understanding this one. And what exactly is the sign of the division? We'll get into this, but before that, this is the place where we'll be understanding, that is, it is the practical example where we will be using the division over there. Now, the next problem. Lata had 12 balloons. She wanted to distribute them equally among her 4 friends. How many balloons does each one get? So, how many balloons Lata is having? So, Lata is having 4 balloons. That is, Lata is having 12 balloons over there. So, but friends are 4 over there. Let me take 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend, 4 friend. Suppose if you keep on giving 1, 1, 1, again 1, 1, 1. It is very difficult, right? Yes. So instead of that, our easy method, just now I have discussed, it is 12 entire balloons. So entire 12 balloons, you are just distributing. So easy method, divide by 4. Why 4? There are only 4 friends over there. You have to check these 2 numbers goes in the same table. So which is that table? It goes in 2 ones also. Yes, you can go for 2 ones also. Instead of that, take the higher one. So that calculation will be very easy. So now 4 ones are 4 threes are. So what is the number? It is 3 over there. So 3 balloons each friend will be getting. So now it is nothing but 3 balloons, 3 balloons, 3 balloons. When you count everything, it is 12 balloons over there. So this is how you divide it over there or distribute over there. Main thing, when you are doing division, make sure that you do equally. That is, the remainder has to be 0 over there. If you get the remainder other than 0, not a problem. But make sure that when you're solving verbal problem, it is usually remainder will be 0. Ma'am, what is remainder? This is a new word. Well, I'll get into more into this. Now, the next one, what exactly is division? So now this is just to grab your attention where exactly we are using in the practical life. Here comes the exact definition of the division. So the process of sharing or grouping equally. So just now we have seen the tablet example, right? So tablet has been divided daily, that is on equal basis it has been divided, and the balloon also equal it has been divided. So that is what it is, division over there, the process of sharing or grouping equally. So this word is very, very important. Sharing or equally you have to group it. So that is called as division. Now here comes the important thing. What is the sign of division? So sign of division is the 2 dots and the up top and the bottom portion over there with a divided sign over there. So this is what the sign of division over there. I hope you are clear with the division. You might get in the fill up the blanks or MCQ problem. Now, this is a small example to use the division operation. So now divide the 12 balloons into group of 3. So divide the 12 balls. To 12 balls, you have to divide into 3. So directly, what is the number of balls? It is 12 over there. So make sure that you can ask a question. Ma'am, why can't we write 3 at the top? No, always make sure that you write the higher number in the top portion. That is, it is called as numerator, and the below portion is called as denominator. Ma'am, you are given new 2 words. Well, I'll explain more about this in my further sessions. Now, the top portion is called as numerator and the bottom portion is called as denominator with a divided by sign over there, and 3, and that is 12 divided by 3, or you can also write it as. So now I hope your teacher would have done all these things, right? Yes. Now in the middle portion, what are you going to write? It is 12. Now what is the smaller number I have to write? It is 3 over there. So now how many is 3? How many is? So it is 3, 4s are 12 over there. Why can't I take 1 over there? No, that obviously you can't. 3 ones are 3. Obviously 1 is lesser than 3, right? So obviously we are taking the 2 digits. So 3, 4s are 12. What is the remainder? It is 0. So divide the 12 balls into group of 3. So how many, each group, how many balls you get? It is 4 over there. I hope you are able to understand this one. Next, the same thing, divide the 20 toys into groups of 10. 20 toys into groups of 10. So higher number 20 divided by 10, or the normal, the traditional method. So that is nothing but dividend. It is called as dividend. What exactly is this? I'll explain you. Now, what is this portion? The smaller portion you have to write, the smaller number. 10, how many are 20? So it is 10 twos are 20. That is nothing but 0. So divide the 20 toys into group of 10. So how many entire thing you will be getting? Entire groups, it is 2 entire groups you will be getting. So in each group 10 and in another group 10. So total will be 20 over there. So no need to sit and calculate. Okay, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No need to sit and calculate that. So directly you can divide it. Now, it is our interesting thing to know what are the parts of division. What exactly? When you done something related to here, you wrote something. Why this side only you wrote? Yes, that is what the parts of division. So now, whatever you write here, center portion, which is the greater number, that is called as dividend. So this is very, very important. So this is called as dividend. And the lesser one, the smaller one which you are writing, that is called as divisor. That is left side, whatever is there, divisor. Ma'am, here you have written towards the right side. Yes. There are two options over there. You can write either this side or at the top portion. So there are two options over there. Many students can do this one, or they will do this one also. That both are fine during the exam time, not a problem. Now, the top portion or the right portion, that is called the very important one. It is quotient over there. So now, they'll do this mistake, especially while correcting the papers, we get this one. Quotient spelling, they'll write it as CU. No, it is always Q. It is starting with QUOTIENT. Next, so 2 5s are 10. What is the remainder? The subtraction you have to do. Inner thing, that is nothing but always you have to subtract the things. Look up the tablet example. So we used to keep on subtracting, right? In the same way, divide is nothing but it is subtraction. Ma'am, what exactly is subtraction? So I have given a chocolate example. When you give 3 chocolates, again you still have 3 chocolates left. Now, how did you do that? It is subtraction. Out of 6 chocolates, you have subtracted 3 chocolates. So that is why we are carrying out subtraction procedure inside division. You can ask, why not addition? Yes, that will be very huge, right? And moreover, that is not the concept under division. So now 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, that is 1 reminder. Whatever is remaining over there, when you do the calculation, that is nothing but reminder. So I hope you are clear with the parts of subtraction. So this is how you write in the logical format. So 11 divided by 2. So whatever the smaller number is there, write in the divisor place, and the bigger one write in the center portion, that is dividend. And next you will be getting quotient as 5 and the remainder as 1 over there. So now dividend, I hope you are saying along with me, dividend, divisor, quotient and reminder. So these are the very important thing. So D2 and next QR. Just remember this, D2 QR. Now, I hope you are clear with this, all these concepts. Next, relation between division and multiplication. What exactly is division and multiplication? Here you can see some picture. What is that picture? There are some flowers over there. Can you just count? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total there are 12 flowers over there. But easy method. What is that easy method? Instead of sitting and counting, easy method. What are the rows? Rows means, I hope you know, horizontal thing is called as rows. Now, vertical thing is, that is nothing but column over there. So just remember, horizontal, it is rows. Just remember your school bench example. Now, horizontal, rows, and vertical, that is nothing but column. HRVC. HRVC. Suppose if you are sitting in a during the exam time, the register numbers will be arranged in a different way, right? So now entire students will be on different column, other entire students. When you see it, you can get entire different vertical column, right? In the same way, just remember, bench example, horizontal, that is rows, and vertical, that is column over there. So now relation between division and multiplication. What exactly? How can you relate this one to multiplication? We have learned regarding this chapter. Now, suppose I don't want to count this one. I want to write it directly. Now, how many rows are there? So there are 3 rows. 1 horizontal, 2 horizontal, 3 horizontal. So it is nothing but 3 into 4 over there. Why 4? There are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fours are, how much am I getting? 3 fours are 12. I hope you are able to understand this one. Now, you can write it in different form. Can I write it in 4 threes are? Yes, you can write in this form also. 4 threes, obviously. To the table, when you just reverse over, you will be getting back the same product itself, right? In the same way, how it is related to division over there. Now, I hope I have said this one. 12. Yes, the center portion has to be greater one. Now, what can I write in the divisor place? So, divisor, what are the numbers if you want to write multiplicand, multiplier? We have learnt all this. Let me take multiplicand or let me take multiplier. So, now I'll be taking one different thing. Here, I'll be taking one different thing. Now, what is the quotient I am getting? So, 4, how many are 12? So, 4 threes are 12 over there. So, what is the remainder? It is 0 over there. Now, how about this one? 3, how many are 12? 3 fours are 12. What is the remainder? 0. Now, when you just see this and this, again when you multiply this and this, so now 4 threes are, you will be getting the same thing. 3 fours, you will be getting the same thing. So, this is how it is related. So, when you take the multiplier, all the multiplicand, you will be getting the same answer. That is the product and the dividend will be same. So, this is how it is related. The multiplication and division is related. You might get a question based on, you have to set an example or you have to give an example to this. So, easy method, just reverse 2 numbers. You will be getting the normal product, whatever it is. Now, till now, what have we learned? So, we have learned a number of things, that is a new division thing, right? Yes. I hope this section was very interesting. For more such sessions, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. That would be a great support for us. And hold on, what is in the next session? Yes, that is very interesting. We'll be learning the extension part, where exactly we'll be using and how to solve the exercise problems based on this division chapter. Now, you can catch us both in our Facebook page and as well as an Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below and please press the bell icon to get our live schedule updates. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.